Before the flood, they came here, not as conquerors, but as watchers. For centuries they observed us. Then something changed. They gave us knowledge we were never meant to have. And the world transformed overnight. Machines began to think. People began to change. And no one understood why. One man saw the truth. His name was Enoch. And he warned us. They were never supposed to come here. Now the world is collapsing. And the judgment has already begun. Enoch, the Watchers. Before the flood, they came here.